Hello everyone, I am Tukagiri. Welcome to channel Cadd+Theory. Volume. In the last video, we discussed about cube, the volume of the cube. Today, we will discuss about volume of the rectangle. To find volume of the rectangle, we need to multiply by cross-sectional area into length of the rectangle. That is, cross-sectional area is height of the rectangle and width of the rectangle, and multiplied by length of the rectangle, that is v equals to HWL. Units is cubic centimeter. By using this equation, we will find volume of the rectangle. Let's see theoretically as well as Cadd tool what value we will get. As we discussed in the earlier, let's find out volume of the rectangle in the Cadd tool. Selecting the top line and sketching the rectangle profile, giving the dimension 100 mm. So here units are in mm, so I'm going to change CGS. Again editing the sketch and giving the dimension. Here I am giving 5 centimeter and providing extrude boss height is 8 mm. Let's find out the volume of the rectangle. So going to evaluate and select mass properties. So we got 400 cubic centimeter. Let's find out theoretically. So we are given height is 8 centimeter into width is 10 centimeter into length is 5. See here, 8 is height of the rectangle, length of the rectangle is 10 and width of the rectangle is 5, equals to, we got same value of 400 cc, that is cubic centimeter. See here, we got in Cadd tool also 400 centimeter, theoretical also 400 centimeter. In case we have here a cut, so selecting the sketch and sketching a profile here, that is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. I am not constraining, just I am showing example. Selecting extrude cut, cutting through all. So the width is 4 centimeter, height is 4 centimeter, and length is 5 centimeter. So we got previously total volume of the rectangle is 400 centimeter. Okay, now I removed some amount of material in the rectangle. Let's find out what value we got. So again going selecting the mass properties and we got 320 cubic centimeter volume after cut. Let's say theoretically. So remember this total volume of the rectangle before cut, that is 400. Let's find first how this cutout material, how volume. So we given height is 4 sorry, height is 4, width is 4, and length is 5. We got 80. Let's remove this value in the total volume of the rectangle. So we got 400 minus 80. So we got 320 here. So the same value we got in the CAD tool also. If you like the content, please subscribe the channel, like and share.